Hi, I'm Bob Allison with ShopSabre CNC. Around here they call me RouterBob. In this video, we're going to demonstrate the versatility of a ShopSabre CNC by combining multiple materials into an incredible outcome. Today's project is going to be a Minnesota-shaped sign. We selected Minnesota because we proudly make ShopSabre CNCs in Minnesota. Now we're going to use the ShopSabre logo and 12 materials. Now this video is going to be very condensed, but once you purchase a ShopSabre, you become part of Sabre Nation University, and then you get access to the files that show step-by-step how I did this. To get started, let's jump into VCAR Pro and you can see a quick version of what I did to create the toolpaths. As you can see, VCAR Pro makes this process pretty easy. Now, we've created the files we need. We'll send them out to CNC Shawn, and now let's go make this sign.
Hey everybody, I'm Shawn Morley. I just got the file from RouterBob. Let me tell you what, you're gonna love this project. It's really gonna show off the versatility and everything the IS408 can do. We're gonna cut metal, plastic, acrylic, wood, all on this machine using Vortex tools. We got 8 of them loaded up. Now let's get cutting.
Shawn, the sign came out beautifully. I can't believe you cut 12 different materials on this IS machine.
Well, you know, it's exactly what we expect out of these machines. And boy, did it did a perfect job. The edge quality on these turned out great.
You are a very good machinist.
Thank you.
Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you'd like to see more videos like this, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you need more information, you can contact us at ShopSabre.com.
And be sure to check us out on Facebook and Instagram.
Thank you for watching.